Hi friends, I'm Sarita. Please subscribe Sarita Activities in YouTube and click bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Hi friends, today we are going to make sweet potato cutlet. Let's see how to prepare this. 6 sweet potatoes and 1 carrot. To wash this sweet potatoes, take this cooker, put all these sweet potatoes and peel this carrot and cut into half. Put into this, add some water to this, put some salt, rock salt. Now we can close this with lid. Put this cooker on stove, put weight on it. Cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Have to wait for 3 whistles, then we can switch off the flame. 3 whistles came. Now we have to switch off the flame and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Let it cool down. Then we will open this cooker lid. We can open this cooker. So, look at this. A sweet potato boiled well. Now we have to peel these. I have peeled all these sweet potatoes. Now we can smash it well. Sweet potato and carrot smashed well. Now we can add 1 inch size ginger finely chopped, put into this. 2 large green chilies finely chopped, put into this. 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon cumin seeds and half teaspoon chaat masala. Let masala is ready. Now let's see how to prepare this cutlet. I have taken 2 breads. Put bread into this mixie jar and powder it. Our breadcrumbs ready. Take the small ball like this and keep it in one plate like this, and again take some batter and roll it like this ball and keep it like this. Make a balls like this and now roll it like this, like a this cutlet shape, and dip this in breadcrumbs. And take this and dip into this. And keep it aside like this. Put this dosa tawa on stove, switch on the flame, pour some oil, and now we have to put one by one on top of it. Add some oil. Keep it in medium flame and cook this cutlets. 5 minutes later, just flip it like this. Again flip it like this. Look at this. this, our sweet potato cutlets are ready. Sweet potato cutlet is ready. Try this recipe at your home and enjoy the taste. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon and share this video to your friends. Thank you.